The future of construction is here, and it's being built one layer at a time. Welcome to the incredible world of 3D printing and construction. From houses to bridges, 3D printing technology is transforming the way we think about building structures. But how does it all work? And what does this mean for the future of construction? At its core, 3D printing in construction works similarly to 3D printing in other fields. A computer-guided printer extrudes material, often concrete or specialized composites, layer by layer to form walls, foundations, and even entire buildings. It all starts with a digital model of the structure. Using computer-aided design, CAD software, architects and engineers create a virtual model. This model is then sent to the 3D printer, which translates it into a physical structure by printing layer by layer. Step 1. Create a digital model. Step 2. Load the model into the 3D printer. Step 3. The printer builds the structure layer by layer. The benefits of 3D printing in construction are significant. First, it allows for rapid construction. What once took weeks or months to build can now be done in just days. The precision of the technology also reduces human error, making buildings stronger and more efficient. Key benefits: 1. Faster construction times. 2. Enhanced precision. 3. Reduced material waste. Sustainability is another key advantage. 3D printing can reduce the amount of material waste by only using what's necessary. Some systems even use recycled materials, making the process more eco-friendly. But what about design? 3D printing offers architects greater freedom to experiment with complex and organic shapes. This opens up possibilities for more creative and customized building designs, structures that were previously difficult, if not impossible, to construct using traditional methods. 3D printing in construction is also providing solutions to global challenges. Affordable housing shortages, for example, could be alleviated through the speed and cost efficiency of 3D printed homes, making them a viable solution for underserved communities around the world. And it's not just houses. Bridges, offices, and public spaces are already being printed in various countries. This technology is changing the way we think about infrastructure on a global scale. Of course, 3D printing in construction is still evolving. Engineers and architects are continually working to refine the technology, developing stronger materials, increasing printing speeds, and scaling up for larger projects. From faster build times and sustainable practices to more creative designs and affordable housing, 3D printing is poised to revolutionize the construction industry. This is just the beginning. If you're excited about the future of construction, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into groundbreaking technologies. This script provides a solid framework for a YouTube video on 3D printing in construction. You can adjust the visuals and pacing to fit your specific style.